bibiri bigani gotuko ya chaka kurwase county ya Kisii asingo kumanyibna niga abantu bonsi baburiwe gochengera esuguko uboikerano nabayigo kweneke bnangwe tanga bali kurwasa mariogo yogotindia ayo arabeka gosalia obugima bwabo okwana yo no reverend korwa ase egesasi merukia Church of God East African Kenya yokorwa James Mugire chenga kiboigo abaga kubolia abantu kweneke bnango sanga bali ne chiamate chiabo Mulikito Epolinari Sakama norobotiria sinchira yowekirano
Ekero abakenya bagenderete gochengera emeyega yesuguku nigo chikanisa chieso kirie na kugania abantu gochengera emeyege yo ase chinchira chibwenerete.
To speak from a biblical point of view, when we go into these celebrations, we work to receive the peace that we have been missing. We look unto it as the leadership of the country, that we come together as a people of this nation. We look for peace. We look for counsel because the great counselor is going to be born.
Emeroberio yo kwarigania Christmas ni gegendereta ase ekanisa ya Church of God East Africa Kenya ase okwegera kwa matero na baigo amarandia. Kukwana negeta seneke ni gomo reverend bekanise yo James Mugire apaboliria abantu gochengera emeyege ye Christmas ase chinchira chibwenerete.
Most of our people celebrate in a manner that is not becoming. Especially you find that people they go into lawlessness, others kill, others cause a lot of mayhem in the name of Christmas.
Nigo abainyoria abantu bunechine chinga kichogo chana gochengera sobwamo una familia likwarigania Yesu Kristo ase chinkoro cheito.
But I want to say Christmas is meant for people to remain sober. They get united with their families and they celebrate anything they have in love. You are not supposed to go and celebrate in a manner that you even forget yourself, you forget your family, and you forget the policy and the laws that govern a country or a county.
Bona ni kabaganiria abantu korokia chimbo chingia semeyegeye na kubwatia lichiko.
Kindly, I'm only urging our people that as you celebrate in a manner that is sober, meet your family members, you celebrate in love, while keeping law and order as a child of God. All of us belong to one God.
Kuripota ya Ndizi TV, ncheri ya Tanaporinaris. Akama.